Okay, in this problem, if D is the region bounded by y equal to 4x and y is equal to x squared, we want to evaluate this double integral. So the first thing we're going to do is do a quick sketch of y equals 4x and y is equal to x squared. So if we say that y is equal to 4x, we would get a straight line. We'll call it y equal 4x. And if we do a sketch of y equal x squared, we would have an intersection right here. And so we want to know the region bounded by y equal 4x and y is equal to x squared. And just to make it clear, I'm going to say this is y is equal to x squared. So in order to solve, we are going to want this point here and this point. We know this point is 0, 0, but the important one is this. So in order to get that point, we will set 4x is equal to x squared. So we can say x squared minus 4x is equal to 0. So if we factor out x, we can get x minus 4 is equal to 0. So we know the point is x equals 0 and x is equal to 4. So this right here would be x is equal to 4. So now we can apply this double integral. So it will be x plus y, and we can just say in terms of dy dx. By doing this dx, that means this integral is dx, and so we know it's going to be 0, 4, and our y term will be slightly different. It won't be 0, 16, but instead it would be, the lower bound would be x squared, and the upper bound would be 4x. This is because 4x is above x squared. So this is what we're going to want to solve. So let's do it. So first we will solve for the integral of dy. And when we do that, we will get the integral from 0, 4 for x, just the outside term, and then x becomes xy plus y would become y squared divided by 2. And we will plug in y is equal to x squared and y is equal to 4x in terms of dx. And when we plug in the values, we would get, actually I'll scroll down some more. You would get 0, 4, and by plugging it in, we would get 4x squared plus 16x squared divided by 2 minus, we insert x squared, and we would get minus x cubed plus x raised to the 4th divided by 2 dx. And if we simplify by adding, we would get, so we would have 0, 4. So we would have 4x squared plus 8x squared. So that's going to be 12x squared minus x cubed minus x raised to the 4th divided by 2 in terms of dx. And now we take the integral of this in terms of dx. And so we would get 4x cubed minus x raised to the 4th divided by 4 minus x raised to the 5th divided by 10. And now we plug in 0 and 4. And so we would get 4 times 4 cubed minus 4 raised to the 4th divided by 4 minus 4 raised to the 5th divided by 10. And when we insert 0, it's simply going to be 0. So this would be at the end, it would be 89.6 if you add everything up. And that's all we need to do.